Hi, so today we're going to be looking at our first consonant in our unit, the letter X. Let's take a listen to the sound that X makes.
X, X,
X, X. Here's the lowercase.
X, X,
X, X. Okay, let's take a look at some of the words that start with X. All right, our first word is Xbox.
Xbox,
Xbox. Xbox. All right, our next is X-axis.
X-axis,
X-axis.
X-axis,
X-axis. Okay. All right, so we have Xbox. An
Xbox,
Xbox you've probably seen before where you play video games. That starts with an X, and then also on
X-axis,
X-axis. When you have a plane, you have an X-axis and a Y-axis.
X-axis,
Okay, and this might be tricky, but see if you might be able to find some things around your house that start with the letter X. And I will see you in the next video where we match some words that start with the letter X.